Hello viewers, welcome back another video. Today I am going to show you how to uninstall app on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's go to the process. Okay, first of all we will go to the settings. Okay, you will get this type of interface and then apps. Okay, after click this you can see here apps and features. Okay, here are a lot of options but we need this option. Okay, you can see here is a lot of apps. This is our apps, installed apps. Okay, all apps are installed on our Windows 10 operating system. So let's say how I can uninstall apps. Okay, let's say we will uninstall which one. Okay, this one. So normally click on uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Okay, uninstalled. Now it is uninstalling. You have to wait just a minute. Oh, now finish. Okay, now our app is uninstalled successfully. So that's is very normal and easy method. I think you will do this very clearly. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see in the next video. Thank so much for this time and thank you so much for watching this video.